Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 9 Mac apps that everyone should have. So let's jump straight into it. First on the list is Plash. This app lets you set any website as your desktop wallpaper. Whether it's a live weather map, a to-do list, or a news site, it keeps your desktop dynamic and useful. Next is Local Send. If you want an AirDrop-like tool that works across different platforms, this is perfect. You can transfer files between Windows, Android, Linux, and Mac instantly without the internet. The third app is Countdown Timer Pro. This one is super handy if you want to set countdowns for tasks, events, reminders, study sessions, or even breaks. It keeps you productive and always on schedule. Coming up next is a fun one, Googly Eyes. This app puts animated googly eyes on your Mac screen. It's not just funny, but surprisingly good at reminding you to stay relaxed while working. The fifth app is AnySwitch. It adds powerful shortcuts for toggling things like system settings, display options, brightness, sound, Bluetooth, and much more, all with one click. At number 6, we have OnlyOffice. If you want a free and powerful alternative to Microsoft Office, this one is amazing. You can open, edit, and create Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files easily. Next is DropZone 4. This app makes drag-and-drop actions super fast. You can move files, upload files, share them, and automate tasks simply by dropping things into the DropZone menu. Our 8th must-have app is Canva. Whether you're making thumbnails, posters, Instagram posts, flyers, or YouTube banners, Canva makes designing incredibly easy, even with no experience. And the final app on this list is Cleaner app. This app helps you clean junk files, remove duplicates, free up storage, and keep your Mac running smoothly. It's simple and very effective. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.